Vitamin A is essential for the body's growth, bone development, skin health, and eyesight. It is used to prevent or treat low levels of the vitamin in people who do not get enough from their diets. Conditions like protein deficiency, diabetes, hyperthyroidism, and liver/pancreas problems can cause low levels of vitamin. Low levels of vitamin A may cause vision problems, such as night blindness, and permanent eye damage. It is recommended to take Xcellent A 3000 mcg, 10,000 unit, capsule vitamin daily to maintain the health of the skin and eyesight. The optimal timing to take this vitamin is in the morning with breakfast for best absorption. When taking Xcellent A 3000 mcg, 10,000 unit, capsule vitamin, it is recommended to take it orally, with or without food, usually once a day. It's important to follow the directions on the product packaging or as directed by your doctor. If you have any questions, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. If you are using the liquid form of this medication, it's important to carefully measure the dose using a special measuring device or spoon. Avoid using a household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. The dosage of this vitamin is determined based on your age, medical condition, and how your body responds to the treatment. For the best results, it's important to take this vitamin regularly at the same time each day. Avoid increasing the dose or using it more often than recommended, as it will not improve your condition any faster and may increase the risk of side effects. If your condition does not improve or if it worsens, it's important to inform your doctor. And if you believe you have a serious medical issue, seek medical assistance promptly. Side effects of Xcellent A 3000 mcg, 10,000 unit, capsule vitamin are rare when taken at the recommended doses. If you experience any unusual effects, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist right away. In the rare event of a serious allergic reaction, seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or you can report them to the FDA. In Canada, you can also call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada. Before starting to take Xcellent A 3000 mcg, 10,000 unit, capsule vitamin, it's important to discuss with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's also important to inform your healthcare provider about all the medications and herbal products you are using before undergoing any surgery. For pregnant women, it's safe to take this vitamin in recommended doses, but higher doses can potentially harm an unborn baby. It's crucial to consult with your doctor for more information. This vitamin is also considered safe during breastfeeding when used in recommended doses. It's important to consult a healthcare provider for more details on the safe use of Xcellent A 3000 mcg, 10,000 unit, capsule vitamin during pregnancy and breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Xcellent A 3000 mcg, 10,000 unit, capsule vitamin. Some products that may interact with this vitamin include acitretin, allotritinone, bexarotene, cholestyramine, isotretinoin, tretinoin, other products that contain vitamin A, and warfarin. It's also recommended to avoid taking vitamin A at the same time as neomycin, orlistat, and mineral oil. If you take any of these medications, be sure to separate your doses from your dose of vitamin A by at least 2 hours. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before making any changes to your medication routine. If you or someone you know has taken too much of Xcellent A 3000 mcg, 10,000 unit, capsule vitamin and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical help right away. In the US, you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include severe headache, tiredness, dizziness, changes in mental or mood, vision changes, dry or peeling skin, bone or joint pain, loss of appetite, yellowing of the skin or eyes, dark urine, and severe stomach or abdominal pain. It's important to note that Xcellent A 3000 mcg, 10,000 unit, capsule vitamin is not a replacement for a balanced diet. It's always best to get your vitamins from a variety of healthy foods. Vitamin A can be found in a number of fruits like apricots, oranges, and peaches, as well as in vegetables such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Additionally, dairy products and eggs also contain vitamin A. If you have any questions about incorporating this supplement into your daily routine, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider or a nutritionist for more information. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take your next dose at the usual time. Don't take double to make up for the missed dose. When it comes to storing Xcellent A 3000 mcg, 10,000 unit, capsule vitamin, it's important to follow the instructions on the product package or ask your pharmacist for specific storage needs. Avoid keeping it in the bathroom and always store it away from children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of the product, make sure not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless directed to do so. It's best to properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed, and you can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.